Hello, artists. Today we're going to make a slithering snake. This snake is going to be so much fun, and all that you need to do is fold and glue some paper. If you really don't want to make a snake, you can just make the springy part, which is like a fun fidget. So first, you're going to take 2 strips of paper. I suggest using 2 different colors so that you can always tell the difference. If you use the same color, it can get confusing. Arrange the papers in an L shape and glue just the corners together. Then we need to decide which paper is on the bottom. When I look at mine, I can see the orange is on top of the blue and the blue is underneath. So I'm going to take the blue and fold it over top and carefully crease it. Then I do the next color, which is orange, then blue, then orange, and you see the pattern. Orange, blue. Now sometimes I notice that friends, they fold it diagonal. So make sure to fold it straight across the top. Otherwise your spring will turn out wonky. Another thing I notice friends do is they don't fold it all the way. See how much space there is between that blue and the orange? See, there's still space there. There's still a little space there too. So we need to fold it all the way so that it makes a tight crease. Another thing friends do is they pick up the paper and then they just kind of fold because they know the pattern, but what happens is it gets all twisted and tangled. So I suggest keeping it on the table and do your pattern fold. Orange, blue, folding it tightly as you go. Orange, blue, orange, blue. And as soon as you reach the point where you're almost out of paper, do fold those last pieces, but when you open it, it's not a very big spring yet. So we want to attach more strips. So leave those pieces that you had folded, fold them out again, and attach by gluing on a new piece. Do that on both colors. You can do the same color, you can get a new color, but all you're doing is making that piece a little bit longer. And then continue folding. Be careful though, because where the papers overlap, it will be tricky to fold, so take your time. My new pattern is yellow, orange, yellow, orange, yellow, orange, yellow, orange, yellow, orange. I'm taking my time to fold it tightly and nicely. I reached the end, so I've made those last folds. I folded them back, and now I'm gluing new pieces on. And then I continue folding one color, the other color, the other color, the next color, until I reach the end. I can continue adding pieces until it's as long as I want, but for here, I'm going to stop. You can see my pieces aren't the same length, and that's okay. But now that I'm done, I'm going to glue it closed. I'm just going to put some glue on the end and fold the last piece over the top so that it all stays glued and I've got a nice spring. To make it a snake, you can grab one of these snake papers and color and decorate it. Then carefully cut out the head part and the tongue. Throw away the scraps. Then fold the head in half and glue the tongue inside the mouth. Fold it and glue it closed, and then you'll see this part where the neck is. We want to fold the neck to create this kind of L shape. This is called a tab. Put some glue on that neck tab and attach that neck to the end of your springy snake body. Hold it for a little while until the glue dries. You can stop there, but if you also wanted to add a tail, take a little piece, whether it's a colored piece or a white paper that you color, and then cut it out into kind of a snake tail shape like a triangle. Fold another little L-shaped tab. Put some glue on that tab and glue the tail to the other end of the snake body. And now you've made a slithery, springy snake. What will you name your snake? I think mine was named Susie the Slithery Snake. Have fun!